Hey you guys, I'm just now leaving the doctor office. It's the next day. Don't kill me. I just have not been feeling the best. So right now I'm gonna get my favorite food. Hopefully they have what I want available. Um, so I'm gonna give y'all an update. He gave me a shot for today so that I can stop with the allergies and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, y'all, I do not like shots. It did not hurt, but that shot in my arm is killing me. Like real bad. So, y'all, I'm just not in the mood. Whew, y'all, I'm so tired too. But I'm. They also like cleaned out my ear because there was some wax in my ear, in my left ear, and now I sound like I can't. Either I can really really hear or I can't hear because whatever they did. I'm not feeling the best. Today is Tuesday, y'all. I really have not been vlogging, and I'm honestly about to go home and go to sleep and just take it there. I ain't even record in now. That's just not like me. I normally be recording, but y'all could see like my hand is like shaking. Ugh. I hate allergies sometimes, but hopefully I get better soon. Alrighty, good morning, you guys. It's Friday. I literally have not vlogged. I mean, is it recording? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I have not vlogged much literally this week because you guys know I've had my allergies. But right now, I'm heading to my appointment. Ooh, I need to rub my face in. I look a little crazy. I'm heading to my appointment. I have blood work at 7:30. It's like a couple minutes before 7:30. So, where is the hand sanitizer? I know I have some in my purse. Yeah. So, we about to walk inside real quick because y'all, this place be packed at like 7:30 with people that don't have appointments and stuff. So, yeah. Boom. If you guys are wondering like what's on my face, I have like a whole skincare video. It should be out by the time y'all are watching this vlog. And yeah, y'all can see what I see. But let's go. Hey guys, it's 8:20. I'm leaving. I don't know where my little microphone is, but hopefully you guys can hear me well. I'm leaving right now. I got there at 7:30. I'm leaving at 8:20, so it took a little bit less than an hour for me to get seen, get my blood drawn and everything. I have work, so I'm gonna go pick up some breakfast. I have work 8-9 o'clock ish is a good time I like to log in. But so I'm about to go get me some breakfast. I'm actually treating myself because it's Friday. Today's cheat day, and we about to go to First Watch and get their shrimp and grits. I already pre-ordered, so we just going in, picking up and heading home. And then hopefully our blood work gets back, y'all, because I need it. I really, really need it. Where the hell we is going to First Watch? See if they got my breakfast. Good morning, thank you. Good morning. Morning.
How you doing?
These two don't even need menus.
Oh yeah, no, sorry.
Hi, picking up for Alisha. Thank you so much. Breakfast is secured.
To accept this call, press. Your call was not accepted. Please try again later.
I guess it wasn't accepted.
No man pick me, true believer, yeah, hear that. Good life, holy.
Alrighty, hey you guys. Let's just start it over. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Okay. Hey you guys, it's 4:11 right now. I am picking up my prescription. I think earlier in the week I told you guys like I had really bad allergies and me going to the doctor and stuff like that. So unfortunately, I have to do mail order for most of my medicine, and I believe only one of them I don't have to do mail order for, like I could do at a store. And you guys are probably like, oh, like why don't you just do, like, you know, you can get like an emergency fill. I feel like I want to use my emergency fill for when it's something serious, and not just like, oh, like, you know, not saying allergies aren't important, but like I got a shot, it's been holding me over, I've been taking over the counter medicine that's finally been working. So for me, I just think that I'll save, you know, those emergency meds for then. Oh, not the wrong thing.
So I don't have anything ready right now.
It's not ready. It was a nasal spray. He said it should be ready in like 30 minutes.
Let me double check on that, okay?
Yeah. Good morning. It's Saturday. I don't know what date it is, but it's definitely gonna be on the screen. But good morning, you guys. It's Saturday. Today I have 2 clients today. I'm sorry. I was supposed to have a client at 11, but she's running late. And my other client doesn't come until 3, so I had enough time to kind of squeeze her in. So we got 2 clients today. I have not been feeling well, y'all. My allergies done got back, starting acting up again. So I probably won't get my medicine until Monday, which is a bummer. But it's okay. I'm still going to push through today. We're going to record as per usual, even if I don't edit it. And I have a lot of videos to edit, so I need to take some time out of my day and edit. I have not been having a lot of energy at all, probably because my allergies started acting up again. So we're going to see how that go. I don't know why I sound out of breath, but I'm going to try to show y'all my 2 client face day today. And then tomorrow, y'all, we going to have a blast. All right. All right, y'all. This is my first client of the day. Is it recording, child? Yes, it is. This is my first client of the day. Period. Food. We did a nice, beautiful beat. Oh, hold on. Let me put the face tracking on. Okay, yeah. First look of the day, y'all. We about to go outside and take some pictures now. Period.
Yes. It's the screen. Like, how does it?
Hey guys. Well, so my 3 o'clock client canceled because she tested positive for the flu, and y'all, I really appreciate her telling me that, because some people, you didn't have to tell me that you have the flu, and I was like, girl, it's okay. Y'all, you don't have to say anything. You know, feel free to rebook if you want to. I'm not gonna charge you for, you know, you telling me that you have the flu and stuff like that. And so now, what time is it, y'all? It's almost 3, almost 2:30. So I'm gonna go do some grocery shopping. I'm gonna montage this part because grocery shopping is not fun, and I don't have that much stuff to get, but I'll probably do that, and then we'll see. I need to do my hair also, so we'll see if I do that tonight or tomorrow morning. But yeah. Okay. Hey, good morning, you guys. It's a new day. It's Sunday. And starting the vlog. I did my hair this morning last night. However, is this even on? Yeah, I think it's on. I did my hair last night, but I'm doing an Amazon return, and we are at, where we at? Whole Foods, y'all. Amazon return. So I'm about to do that really quickly. I have a class at 12. It's 11:10, so hopefully make it on time. I'm pretty sure we will, as long as they're not busy. And they are, well, no, they're not. They're not that busy today. Is it recording? I think it is. Is it? Well, I thought it wasn't recording. Hopefully it's recording. So, yeah. We're doing a return. Yes. Yeah. Scan. Hi, how are you? I'm well. Oh, it's I'm all set. Thank you.